$10.99, 11, 12, $20, 14.59. Is farmer better than is State Farm cheaper than Geico? On average, we found that Geico offers cheaper auto insurance policies than State Farm. Comparatively, Geico offers a wide range of discount applicable to more drivers. Between the two auto insurers, Geico has the better multi-vehicle discount 25% compared to State Farm 20%. State Farm vs Geico 2021 car insurance comparison market watch search for is State Farm cheaper than Geico? Why is Geico so cheap? Geico is cheap because it sells insurance directly to consumer and offer a lot of discount. Most consumer qualify for more than one discount which helps to lower the overall cost of their premium. The fact that it sells insurance directly to consumer is another big reason why Geico is so cheap. Is Nationwide better than Geico? On average, Nationwide offer better rate than Geico for drivers with credit score of lower than 580. Rate by credit score Nationwide versus Geico. Credit level very good 740 to 799. Geico average annual premium $1120. Nationwide annual premium $1109. Who is cheaper than Geico? State Farm is the best option for most drivers looking for the most affordable car. The rate State Farm offered for a full coverage policy was $427 more affordable per year than Geico and were even cheaper than those from Progressive Allstate of Farmers. Comparing State Farm versus Geico versus Progressive versus Allstate versus who is cheaper than Geico? What are worst insurance companies? The following list contains the 11 worst insurance companies in America. Allstate, the AAJ list explained that even the CEO of this company admit that Allstate loyalty does not lie with its customers. Unum, AIG, State Farm, Anthem, Farmer, United Health. The 11 worst companies insurance law national law review. Is Geico car insurance any good? In the 2020 JD Power study of customer satisfaction for auto insurance shopping, Geico rated as the top large insurer but rated below average for auto insurance claim satisfaction. Does Geico pay claim quickly? Geico paid within 3 minutes, which is quick instead with strong third party bad faith law. Geico like pays quicker if another driver kills your account and injury since 1995. The average bodily injury liability claim payment has increased much faster in Florida than countrywide. Geico car accident settlement amount and claim in 2021. Is Geico a good insurance? Geico is a good insurance company that offers its customers satisfactory rate, positive customer service, and convenient user experience. In particular, Geico auto insurance rate for drivers with no recent accident were consistently low. Geico Auto and Home Insurance Review. Does the Geico app track you? Driver can have access to the program once they enroll by downloading Geico Drive Easy mobile app and have their phone in their vehicle. The app will track your behavior and your vehicle to offer you safe driving tips and also calculate your driving score. What is the best car insurance? 1. NJM Customer Service, USAA Customer Service, Amica Customer Service, Farm Bureau Insurance Customer Service. The best. Does Geico use your credit score? What does credit have to do with insurance? Is not my driving record more important? According to a survey by Conning and Co. Over 92% of all major insurance, including Geico, use credit-based insurance score to help determine insurance premium in most states. Is nationwide insurance expensive? Nationwide Insurance is one of the best, largest insurance companies operating in the U.S. Nationwide auto insurance rates tend to be more expensive than average. Though its motorcycle policies are typically more competitive, the insurer also tend to score well on customer reviews and user satisfaction. What is nationwide known for? We have been helping people protect what's important for more than 90 years. Over the last 90 years, Nationwide has grown from